Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Sneaker Revival YouTube channel. Today we got something a little bit different for you. We're going to be customizing a pair of shoes here and giving them to my brother. So stick around. You can see the whole process. Hopefully this goes good. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And also head over to sneakerrevival.com and get yourself some of our signature sneaker cleaning product. That being said, let's get right into it, guys.
Depot on the beat.
Alright, so I finally finished up these shoes, man. It took about 3 or 4 days of work finishing them up over the last 3 weeks, but I got them done. Only cost me maybe about $50 to put into them, get them all finished up. And yeah, I tried to film as much as I could. It was a little hard having both my hands tied up in stitching and everything, so I didn't get as much film as I wanted to, but I promise next time I'll try and get more film next time I make a custom shoe video. So, but yeah, I did a lot of work to them. Added like a spare lace bag that I custom made. Just stitched some leather together, and inner pocket liner basically, and stitched multiple different areas of the shoe. Got a custom made patch to heat press onto the tongue, and swapped out the laces with some off-white laces with some metal tips, and put a lace lock on there. So that's about everything I did to them. And the reason I wanted to do this is just to do something nice for my brother who started this company. You know, I know starting a business and running a business can be super stressful, so just wanted to do something nice for him for a change, and surprise him with a gift, hopefully to it'll relieve some stress off of him. But anyway, I'm hoping he likes them, but we're gonna head over there right now, surprise him with these, and we'll see what he says. So let's go. All right, Noah. So to show my appreciation towards you and all you do for the company, I got you a special gift for you. So under this hoodie, go ahead and take it off and open that box. Oh yeah. What do you think of those, man?
Dude, it is awesome. Wow. I don't know what to say, dude. Wow, thank you so much, man.
Depot on the beat.
Alright guys, that'll do it for today's video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to check out our website at sneakrevival.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys next time.